ladies and gentlemen, I wanted to do a quick video about one of the most frequent types of questions that I get, and ones that I don't really see other folks talk about a lot, and that's scam mail. Not spam mail, but scam mail. I get a lot of calls and texts from clients after they've bought a house asking about specific mail they received that has my name or my company's name on it. It looks legitimate, but is actually just clever junk mail. If you've purchased a home before, you've probably received this stuff and know what I'm talking about. First thing first, I want to be super clear. Information about our customers is never sold or shared. Never, ever, period. The identity of you and your lender becomes public information once the title company files the new deed to your property. From there, it's collected by these people and companies who scour new deed records. It's a simple list of all the information that's now become public, which includes both my name and my company's name, but also the buyer's name, the loan amount, the loan type, and more. They sell these lists to other companies. Now, don't get me wrong, after purchasing a home, it's totally normal to receive mail addressed to a previous owner. You may even notice an increase in more typical mail, such as advertisements for pest control, lawn care, home warranties, or remodeling. Those aren't the problem that we're addressing here. Those businesses purchase this information to promote genuine services. Other companies, though, buy this information with the explicit intention of defrauding homeowners. Here are the main kinds of scammer junk mail you could get after purchasing a home, along with the easy way to avoid receiving them altogether. First is mortgage protection insurance. You'll probably start receiving a flood of junk mail for mortgage protection insurance after your mortgage closes. MPI is an insurance policy that pays your mortgage in the unfortunate event that you pass away or become critically disabled in order to make things easier for your family. Despite the fact that these offers could seem to be from your mortgage lender, they really come from insurance companies or brokers. If you are ultimately interested in this type of insurance, I would recommend not using a company who sends you shady mailers. Second is spam or advertising that resembles actual mortgage statements. So some scammy junk mail is designed to pass for official bills or statements from mortgage lenders. In fact, some dishonest marketers will even go so far as to deceive you by using the logo of your lender. Often, these companies are trying to scam you by getting you to pay them for services such as setting up auto pay or biweekly payments, and then they charge you a fee. However, you can arrange these services for free of charge directly with your lender. Some of these bogus bills demand payment in order to register the mortgage with the city, obtain a property profile, or similar BS products you don't need. But this is fraud. Once you send the money, it's gone, and often then the business is impossible to reach. Advertisements for a lower rate in payment or tapping into your unclaimed equity is the third type. You can get letters telling you that you're eligible for a mortgage with a lower interest rate and lower monthly payment, and then you're told to call a specific phone number in order to take advantage. Sometimes they have a reference number or a claim number on them too to try to make them more legitimate. Now, once more, this mail can seem to come from your mortgage lender. However, it's frequently, almost always, a different mortgage provider marketing their loan offerings. They will suggest refinancing your mortgage with them, or maybe even adding a mortgage, such as a home equity loan or cash out refinance. 4 is deed recording or deed copying services. This type of junk mail offers you the opportunity to have a copy of your deed shipped to you for a small fee. However, you can do this yourself for free by contacting your county courthouse, typically the recorder's office. Last but not least is homestead filing services. This will probably start hitting mailboxes at the end of this month or next month. And that's because in Texas, homeowners get a tax break on their homestead, aka the home they actually live in. Each county in Texas handles this at the county level, and you can apply for the homestead exemption beginning on January 1st of the year after you purchased the home. It costs nothing to file this and can be done online in most counties, but even if you do choose to download and fill out the paper form and mail it to your county, there's no cost. However, these mailers that you'll receive are going to offer to do this for you for a small fee. Instead of falling for their tricks, simply Google the name of your county and the words homestead exemption form, and you will find exactly what you need to do this yourself for free. Always carefully study the mail advertisements you get in order to determine if they're actually legitimate. Pay attention specifically to the small print, the fine print at the bottom. Also recognize salesy terms or terminology like act immediately, best offer, don't delay, or limited number available. These will help you identify if it's a scam or not. It's most crucial to avoid sending cash or giving over any personal information to these scammers. When in doubt, get in touch with your lender using the phone numbers provided on your lender's website to verify the validity of any shady mail you've got. I also recommend to shred these spam advertisements to keep your personal information safest. Luckily, there's a way to opt out of receiving these. Once you're in this database, it is illegal for companies to send you these mailers for 5 years. I'm personally in my second 5-year opt-out period, and I highly recommend it. Visit optoutprescreen.com or call 888 567-8688. Adding your information to this database removes you from all pre-screened offers of credit. This includes credit cards, home equity line of credits, and other finance mailers. Be prepared to share your date of birth and social security number. It's okay. This is the legitimate way to protect yourself. Now, to stop these mailers forever instead of just that 5-year period, you'll need to print and fill out their permanent opt-out election form and mail it into them with a signature. Now, this doesn't mean that during this time you can't shop for financing or apply for cards or loans. It just means that these daily pieces of junk mail are going to stop coming, including the scammers. So let me know what questions you have, and I'll do my best to answer. I'll post that website and phone number below as well. Reach out anytime, and thanks for watching.